Hi developers! What a wonderful snowy day outside to install DENO. Let's get started.
So firstly, we need to search for DENO in the search bar, and the first link, which is deno.land. Now we will see that current version is 1.5.0. It might depend. It might be 1.7 even for you, because the video might be old. Okay, now we can see this DENO info, and we see this installation guide. Now let's follow it. So we need this Windows part, and it says PowerShell. So we can access PowerShell using just typing PowerShell, or we can just Control R and here just write PowerShell.exe. Yeah, and now we just need to click run. Now let's wait till it will open. Now we can see this PowerShell, and let's try to paste this command right here. So it will be other for you. Now let me paste my comment. Now let's click enter. So it's right now installing the DENO. Now it's not done yet. It just read the file. Now it needs to write the file, not just reading. Yeah, now it's writing the web request. We can see the number of bytes written, yeah. And by the way, this is PowerShell. Why PowerShell? Because it's already built in the Windows, and we don't have to install other third party like Chocolatey, like Scoop. But guys, in this video I'm gonna also show how to use Chocolatey as well. So we just go to chocolatey.org, just the first link, and this is the package manager for Windows. It's just like Node.js, npm install, let's like bcrypt, just like here. Chocolatey install any program that we want for Windows. So I already have this installed. Now I need to go to cmd, and so I have this. I can check like this: choco help. Yeah. Now let's wait. Yeah, so I have choco 0.10. Now let's try to choco install DENO. Choco install DENO. Now I wouldn't click on this because I already have it, but yeah, I already have it, like success and warning. Yeah, because I already have installed. Okay, and this one is on the PowerShell, so it says DENO was installed successfully. Right. Now we can check it through DENO -- help. Yeah, it works. Now we need to leave the PowerShell. Yeah, and we need to check, can we run the programs, right? Now let's try to run this program. We just need to cmd, paste this comment. Yeah, it says welcome to DENO. Okay, it's just the main default program. How about the complex one? So we just have to copy this code, right? Copy this code. Now we need to just go to, let's say, our desktop, and let me create a new txt file. Let's say subscribe.txt, and let me put the script down that I copied. Now let me put, let's say, instead of hello world, let's say subscribe, right? And let me save it, but it's the txt. Now let me change it to the ts TypeScript file, because we can see welcome ts is also TypeScript file. Yeah, I changed it. Now to run it, I need to go to, first of all, cd desktop. Now I need to check, does this file exists. Yeah, so it exists. It is right here, subscribe.ts. Now let me run it. DENO run subscribe.ts. Wait, or you can just sub and just tap subscribe.ts. It will auto write for you. Let me run it, checking the file, and it will give me an error. The error is uncaught permission denied. Since the DENO is secure by default, we need to give it a allow network flag so it can work with the network since it's a server file. Okay, how to do it? So DENO run, we need to put flag right after the run allow.net subscribe.ts. Yeah, so we can see our server is running right now on localhost. Let me check. Localhost 800. So yeah, subscribe by it. It's working right now. Everything is working. Server is working. Just we can see here, and if you put, for example, like this, let's say, if you think that this flag doesn't matter, allow net, then it will not work because we should put this flag after the run, after the command. Okay, if you need any help, you just can DENO.help, and yeah, here we go. Just cache, bundle, docs, installing, anything like run a program, or we can use tests. And guys, since I have my own blog running on Node.js on my GitHub, I was writing my own blog on Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. Now I want to rewrite it using this new DENO. So if you're interested, guys, just let me know, and I can publish a tutorial on how I made that blog, how I coded that blog on DENO from scratch. Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.